No, I love the ones you had on though. Hey, that's Di. That's
What, these?
Josiah. Oh, cute. Yes.
They had them at Target. I thought
This is my patio. Here's how's my garden's doing. There's potatoes and peas. And the strings go up to the balcony. And there's some more potatoes and some more peas. I'm going to have to repot the potatoes into a deep container because they're already getting too big. There's some of my gardening implements. There's lavender. Okay, here we have roses. There's just a little bitty piece, but we're doing some square foot gardening. Over here I have 4 watermelon plants planted that I'm going to let grow up the fence, hence the balls of string. I have a row of spinach, and then at that end it's red romaine lettuce. And here I have an heirloom tomato, German Queen, 2 lemon boy heirlooms, and I'm going to replant one of them to over there, and a Cherokee purple. I've got a couple Brandywines that are going to go in there too. And then this row, hi marigolds, this row is hot banana peppers alternated with serranos, as I'd like them to interpollinate because they didn't have any jalapenos at the garden center. And then I've got golden bell peppers right along here. So that's my tiny little front garden right there. And there's an azalea. And then over here by this oak tree, see the strings running up, and we have squash. There's 4 plants of squash. We're going to let them climb on the tree. And then over here I've got seedlings. Some of them are up, some of them are not yet. I got black beans, and I believe those are going to be black beans. There's Brandywine tomatoes, cilantro and basil, and some cucumbers that still haven't been planted. And then over here there's a bag with some heirloom tomatoes for Di to take home. And here are some strawberries. And that's it. Oh, I planted some Dutch irises down there, and I've got hostas here. And we're gonna move that door back up to the patio and put the black beans along that fence. And my bush beans aren't up yet, so we left a big row here in the garden to put bush beans, and then I need another bag of mulch. But that's it so far.